Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. On the occasion of India's 73rd Independence Day, we are going to learn watercolor tutorial and even a small tribute to our frontline warriors. Let's see materials that we require. Watercolor. Watercolor can be of your choice. Eraser, then compass set, washi tape, some waterproof pen, waterproof gel pen you can say, pencil and brushes, and some container. Using washi tape as the border, we will start our drawing by making Ashok Chakra, which is also known as our Dharma Chakra. Here I have measured the center of the sheet, and after that using a compass I'm just making a circle. You can make the sizes big or small, it's up to you. Now using protector, what I'm doing is dividing the 90° into half. It's like 45 degrees, so all the sides it will be having 45 degrees. Now again using the protector, now we are dividing this 45° into 15° into 15°. It means in 145° we will be having 215°. So now after connecting all the lines, what I'm doing is I'm using the waterproof gel pen and I'm now making all the drawing part dark using this. As we have seen in Ashok Chakra, the lines, they are little pointed. It's in a triangular shape. So yes, we are connecting the lines and making a long triangles. Now our Ashok Chakra is done. Now we will start making all our Corona warriors, or you can say the heroes. So let's complete it. This year India is celebrating its 73rd year of independence. Why this time this Independence Day tutorial is dedicated to our Corona warriors is the reason because in this pandemic they are the only people who have fought with this, and they are providing us all necessary things. So they have made us independent from this corona. Again using our waterproof black gel pen to highlight all the drawings. Why it's like I don't want to give it like full realistic kind of look, so just to highlight those drawings, first I'm making the drawings with the pen and on top I will be using the watercolor. Starting with the skin color, what I have done is I've taken brown and a mix of white, so we will get this. Or if you want, you can even mix orange and white and red and white. We are hearing the news like in India cases are increasing day by day, but on the other hand, however, with the help of our Corona warriors, situation are improving, and we are having a good recovery rate just because of our Corona warriors. Here using watercolors according to the characters, like khaki color for the police, blue is for the nurse, PPE kit is white. So what I'm doing, I'm just giving a little bit of gray effect for the doctor's coat and the PPE kit. We have our food delivery guy, we have our media, those who are every person. If I'm forgetting someone, I'm sorry for that, but yes, I try to include everyone in this. As I have shared before, watercolor consists of so many layers of painting. This layer is just to give depth and like how much you can create it in a realistic way, so it's up to you. Now using this bright cobalt blue for our Ashok chakra. If you are unable to use the paintbrush for this fine detailing, what you can do, you can use any similar color pencil color or sketch pen or marker to paint the Ashok chakra. Starting with our flag, I'm doing the green portion first, the green of the flag. So what I'm doing is I'm just spreading water all over the sheet, and on top I'll be using the green color. Now the top portion of our flag, which is saffron. So saffron, we can even use orange. So here also the same process. Our Indian flag is a tricolor flag. The first color is saffron. Saffron is for courage and strength. The second one is white, which is peace and truth, with stands with a dharma chakra, which is the chakra which we have colored cobalt blue. Then comes the third color, which is green. Green stands for the fertility and growth of the land. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and do comment your feedback. Love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.